So today we're starting off with skincare. We're starting with my lovely model, Dawn, and we're gonna start off using my oil cleanser. This cleanser helps gently remove any makeup or impurities without overly stripping the face. And you can apply it with a cotton pad or with your fingers. So next is a crucial step. It's a toner. Mine is the vitamin C toner. I feel like a lot of women skip this step. It is crucial to help even out and close down the pores, and it also helps accept your moisturizer and serum. And you can apply that with a cotton pad as well. Super easy right after you wash your face. So next we're going to use a serum. This is the peptide serum. Peptides help boost collagen and elastin in the skin, especially for mature skin. It's great. Make sure to apply it on the face and don't forget to touch the neck. So I just want to touch on briefly the order of skincare. First, you're going to wash. Second, you're going to tone. Third, you're going to serum. Fourth, moisturizer. Fifth, eye cream. So now we're going to use a second tinted moisturizer, and we're going to use it as a bronzer. We're going to put it on the outside edges of the face and kind of use it like a contour, but we're really just adding warmth and shape back into the face, because as we get older we lose our pigment in our skin and we just want to brighten that up. So for the lips, we're using our Invisible shade of Waterproof Gel Lip Liner. This goes on to help prevent any bleeding and to keep your lipstick staying all day. Even if you don't have the same shade of lip liner, you can use this because it's invisible and it matches whatever you have on. So we're going to apply on the outside to stop it from bleeding, and then we're also going to fill in the entire lip. So we're done with our lovely model, Dawn. We just went over today our 15-minute face. You could wear this every day to work, going out, or it's definitely able to build on top of it with more color or more shadow. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks, this is Stephanie Stearns Artistry.